Hi everyone, welcome to Data Appreciation with Shino, and we're doing a Google Skills Lab on querying external data and Iceberg tables. So querying Iceberg tables in cloud storage with BigQuery is what we're looking at, and we have something on Iceberg tables here in the documentation. That's the introduction to BigLake tables for Apache, Iceberg, and BigQuery. So in this lab, we'll explore how BigQuery's BigLake tables can query data in open source formats directly within cloud storage. We'll learn how to create BigLake table that points to an existing Iceberg table, enabling us to analyze data without moving or duplicating it. So we'll start by creating a connection that allows BigQuery to securely access data in cloud storage. Then we'll define a BigLake table over a sample Iceberg table that contains raw web log data. Iceberg is an open table format designed for a huge analytic data set and is often used with processing engines like Apache Spark. Finally, we run a query that seamlessly joins the Iceberg data in cloud storage with a native BigQuery table containing customer information. So what we'll do here is we'll create an Iceberg table from a CSV file in cloud storage using BigQuery and BigLake. Next, we would query the Iceberg table to analyze data stored in cloud storage. Then we'll join the BigLake table with a native BigQuery table to combine data sets. And finally, we'll create a cloud resource connection to cloud storage. So what do we need here? So to complete the lab, we need access to standard internet browser and the time to complete the tab. So this is our start lab button. So we have two notes here. One is if we have a personal Google account, we do not use it for this lab. And if you are using a Pixel book, open an incognito window to run this lab. So let us start our lab. To connect, and on it we would click the open Google Console button. So here is our Google Console button. We would open the link in incognito window. So we'll navigate. These are our checkpoints. So we'll navigate on the navigation menu to view our list of services. So first we would enter BigLake API in the top search bar. So we're still loading our Google's Cloud Console. So it's still coming up. So we'll be enabling BigLake API. We will check IAM permissions before we create our connection. Seems to have its slow network. Wait. So remember, we're going to enable the BigLake API, and we'll check our IAM and admin.